Hello everybody, hope you guys are doing great. Welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a super important video as I bring to you guys the latest updates regarding the special refund policy that Christ University has agreed to follow for COVID-19. So I will be talking to you guys in detail about that. But before I move on guys, you guys know the drill. If you like the video, please smash the like button as well as please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you guys can receive regular updates of whenever I bring to you any new video. Without wasting any time, let's just directly get started. So basically guys, I've already made a full video on the refund policy of Christ University, which has all the important things like the process, the important details, all of that, and I've already put down the link of that. However, just a few days back, Christ University has brought about its new refund policy, which is valid only and only for this year. So I'll be talking to you guys about that. So let's go through that. Guys, this is the screenshot from official website of Christ University where they've added this last section to the refund policy of Christ University. I will be reading this out loud to all you people so that you guys understand this. So basically, this is a notice to all students and parents replying to Christ University admissions, cancellation and refund amendment regulation to 2019. So basically they're trying to change the refund policy of 2019 by bringing in some amendments. For the avoidance of doubt, it is hereby clarified that the words commencement of classes in clause 11 of the above referred regulation will mean the date of inauguration for the academic year for the course/program. This is by Dr. Anil Joseph Pinto. He's the registrar. So basically a lot of you people had confusions regarding the commencement of date because they say that the refund will be calculated according to the commencement of classes, and university here has clarified that the commencement of classes is the date of inauguration, which earlier was 26 July and now they've postponed it to a future date which we don't know. However, for all you people watching this video, this does not hold valid anymore because of the note which they've given below this. So I will be reading it out and please listen to this very carefully so that you guys have no confusion. So it states, notwithstanding what is contained in the cancellation policy given above, the university shall abide by the following guidelines of the UGC as stated in its letter dated on the 16th of July 2021. For all those people who follow the news, basically UGC has come up with new guidelines for all the universities, and Christ University is saying that keeping the cancellation policy aside, we will also be following the guidelines which is brought in by UGC. So what are the guidelines? So I will be reading that out to you guys as well, quoting it. In view of the financial hardships being faced by parents due to lockdown and related factors, a full refund fees should be made on account of all cancellations of admissions/migrations of students up to 31st October 2021 for the academic session of 2021-2022 as a special case. It is made clear that the entire fees, including all charges, should be refunded, i.e. there should be zero cancellation charges on accounts of cancellation/migrations up to 31st October 2021. Thereafter, on cancellation shall withdrawal of admissions up to 31st of December 2021, the entire fee collected from a student should be refunded in full after deducting not more than 1000 rupees as processing fee. It may, however, be noted that the above guidelines will be applicable in respect of fresh admissions for the academic year 2021-2022 only, and this is by the registrar. So guys, it's a mix of a lot of views, some happy news for a lot of people, some not so happy news for a lot of people. But in short, it just means that you guys will get your money refunded no matter even if the classes are started in August, in September, in October. Any refund that you guys apply for will be given to you in full with zero cancellation till 31st of October 2021. After that, if you guys ask for a refund, even if the university is completed with this first semester by 31st December 2021, you guys will get your whole refund back by deducting not more than 1000 rupees. So for all the people who have gotten the admission at Christ University and are still waiting for admissions at other universities and not really sure whether they should take the refund, they should not take the refund, it is an amazing news. So you can keep your money there as well as a great backup. At the same time, look in for admissions wherever you want, in Delhi University, in Mumbai University, all those. You can definitely book up my personal guidance and doubt clearing in case if you want to look for more colleges that you can apply to if you need more personal guidance. But yes, Christ University and any other such university basically all the universities fall under UGC, and each one of them have to follow these guidelines. So it's a best way to keep a backup, guys. So you don't need to get worried about 5% being deducted or 10% being deducted or 30% being deducted. None of the money is going to get deducted. You're going to get the full refund back, and till 31st December you're going to get almost the full refund back, just 1000 rupee, which is going to be deducted as the processing fee. So it's hardly any amount. However, this is a little sad news for the waitlisted students. Now, waitlisted students were waiting for more people to ask for refunds so that more seats get empty, and then these people, the ones who are waitlisted, get the option of being selected at Christ University. I guess you guys would have to wait a little longer. Your date is 31st of July, by when university will let you know whether you're selected or you're not selected. But a lot of people who were very positively hoping for being selected at waitlist might not do that, because a lot of people might not ask refund now, because there is going to be no deduction at all from their money whenever they ask the refund. So a lot of people would want their money parked there, at the same time looking for other colleges in India or abroad and all those things. So all these things have come in the highlight of COVID-19, the lockdown, and a lot of hardships which parents and students are facing. And I totally agree to that, because no calendar date is set. Hardly universities are having admissions. They're waiting for results to come out. So a lot of hassle is going on, and this is a great thing for the university to do, understanding the plight of the students as well as of the parents. So yes guys, that's about it for this video. If you like this video, do smash the like button. Comment below if you have any doubts, queries. I will surely try replying to that. Share this video with as many people as you want, and as many people you feel would be really benefited out of this video. Last but not the least guys, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you guys get regular updates of whenever I upload any new video. I'll see you soon with another informative video. Take care guys, all the very best.